Okay, it's a 32-inch Hisense. I think Hisense is a Chinese brand. It's a budget smart TV, so this will retail at 199 UK pounds. It is smart, so it's got YouTube, iPlayer and all those sorts of on-demand apps built in, Netflix and so on. After I've done this one, I will be doing a Sony 32 as well, and I'm going to put them side by side and have a quick look at comparisons on normal TV and so on. So straight away in the top, you can just see there part of the pedestal base and the neck of the pedestal that will attach to the back of the TV. We'll have a look at those closer up. Polystyrene. So TV inside there with their foam screen protector, well, cardboard and foam. That is the television itself, which I'll pop to the side carefully. All that's left in the box, remote pack, instruction book and so on. We'll put those down and we'll get a close-up. Okay, so take the pedestal parts out first. So that is a bit of cast aluminium for the neck, feels quite nice for the price. The bar, so there's some lugs and threaded holes there that are going to attach. I'm guessing we can see there's a location there, you can't get it wrong because it's a hole and a slot, and your recesses as well for the screws to go into. So it's going to be bar on top there, the hole and the sort of oval to locate, and I'll go into my remote pack where there shall be some screws. Right, so there should be a screw pack somewhere in there. Another screw pack. Ah, there they are. So 3 countersunk screws there with a Phillips head. Take those out. So those screws into those. Okay, so that's the base there. So it is moving away from all of those stands that are very wide. We could get a dimension of that when it's built up, but it is nice and narrow. Don't know if my hand gives any reference to it, but it'll fit on most TV stands, I would have thought, unless you've got some daft awkward stand. But also in the pack, wall mount spacers, UK figure 8 mains lead there with a right angle connection, remote control, which I will take out now while we're at it. So we can see there it's got some quick commands on it. YouTube, Freeview Play, which in the UK is your on-demand rewind TV guide. Netflix, Amazon or Prime TV, whatever they call it now. Your home button to get to your other apps and so on and off. Inputs, channel numbers, text if anyone uses that. And so on as normal, volume and channel. So quite a nice clear remote there. Feels okay. Pop the back open. AAA batteries. So pop those in. Okay. So still got composite connections as well. Old legacy composite analog connections there. Paperwork wise, quick look. Energy rating, so A rated, 40 watts, that assumes you're going to use. User manual in about 7 languages. Don't know what that is. European guarantee. I don't know, hazardous materials guide or something like that. Cool. Looking at the back of the television here, we can see where the 4 spacers would go in the back there if we were wall mounting. It's a 100mm square VESA. M6 bolts in that one. But there's a flap there. If it's wall mounted, you cover where the pedestal goes. That lifts out like so. That then, 2 tabs here. Got 3 holes. I did forget to point out there's more M4 screws. They're longer. These are 12mm long, these M4s that are in the pack as well. Tabs in there, that down. 3 of those screws out into the holes. 1, 2, 3. Figure 8 mains there. May as well point it out while we can see it. Okay, so that's our screws in the back, nice and solid. Tab actually I think can go back in, well the cover should I say, so into there, and it should click in place. Looks nice and tidy from the back. While we've got it here, we'll spin it round so you can see the connections on the side if they show up. So we can just see the side there. So quite surprisingly for this as well, we've got terrestrial TV, satellite tuner as well. Common interface which has analog headphone out, service input, but 2 HDMI's, number 2 being ARC, AV input, so that's for that composite connection there, digital audio out, USB and LAN for wired internet. So that's the television from the side, so it is quite nice and thin. I haven't got a dimension yet, but I'm guessing it's about 50-60mm. We'll just move round to the front. That's that there. So next thing I'll do, I'll turn it on. We'll have a look at it. Right, all I've connected to it is the aerial, the mains and a network cable. So we're not utilising Wi-Fi, we've hardwired it. English, UK, London, accept the user agreements. It's telling us there we've got the Ethernet connection. I'm not going to do store mode, even though we're in a store. Okay, so TV connection it has found. It's found a software upgrade, so I'll let it do it. Okay, so it's finished the manual tune, manual auto tune. It's done the update or downloaded it, so it wants to restart. I shall restart it now. We are Yorkshire here.
Down on fly tipping.
Okay, so it's finished its update. I've just turned that down for a moment and it's telling us some quick guide bits there, but we'll just skip through that. So 107, Freeview HD built in as well. Let me just have a look.
This is BBC News with me, of Fortnite as players of the online game.
Okay, so the updates are all done. This is just showing Freeview HD, which is built in.
And then at 10:40 and 11:30, we'll be taking a look at tomorrow's front.
Try the sound, see what it
Joining
sounds
me
like.
tonight, I've got Susie Boniface, a columnist for The Mirror, and Michael Booker, deputy editor at the Daily Express. That's all coming up here on BBC News First, though. It's Sports Day.
So, certainly sounds loud enough. We'll have a look at the home
Hello
menu
and welcome to
or
Sports Day.
YouTube. As it slowly loads, so it does seem a bit sluggish, but we'll give it a chance. So it is only a 720p screen, but it's only 32 inch, so I don't think it's massively important if you're a distance away for it to be 1080 or whatever else for the size of the screen. Try my mate's quick video. So a quick bit of footage from YouTube, see something fast moving. Shown this footage before, similar footage, so just footage off Hero 7. It gives you an idea of something fast moving as well. I'll try out store mode if I can, see if there's any sort of demo footage built in. There probably isn't on something at this sort of level, I wouldn't have thought. But let's have a
Went the
look.
wrong way. Went the wrong way.